Hi there, Barry speaking to you, and I want to show you just how easy it is to use this Boomerang List Builder software, which will guarantee that anybody that buys a Fiverr gig from you will end up on a premium buyer's opt-in list, which is really, really valuable. Okay, so here's the software up and running, and I've pre-done one or two steps, but we'll go through them one at a time. First of all, we have to select the file that we want to unlock. So let's browse to desktop, and somewhere down here I've got some Fiverr gigs here, and we'll choose the first one, which is a piece of software. It's a easy e-cover creator software, and as you can see there in my Fiverr gig, there's the PDF, the thank you PDF. There's a free bonus in there that I've put in, and there's the software in here. So there's a video and find the software. So there's the software that we want to protect, that we want to lock. So we click on that and it'll bring it up here. So we've done that. Next step, the name of the product. So easy e-cover creator. You put the name of your product in here, obviously. Next. Okay, we've got some choices here. We can, and this is where the software really bleeds over into other different applications that you might have for it. First of all, here we can set it as a free trial, so they can use it for however many days that we choose to give them, and then after that, the free trial will have expired, and they'll have to get the key to open it. We can set it for registration after how many uses, so they can use it maybe 3 times, and then the 4th time they have to get the code. But for selling on Fiverr, for our purposes, we want to give them an immediate registration. That means when they try and open the product, it tells them, no, you have to get a code first. Okay, so we select that one. Next. Now, the type of registration that we want, we can either use a fixed one, which is what we're going to do, but I do want to just quickly show you this. The unique registration means that a completely new registration will be generated by the software for everybody that clicks through from the software when it says get your key. And what you do is that when you put your page that it redirects people to, you'd have a little piece of code on there which the software would then generate a product key on. So every product key then would be unique. That's a good way if you want to secure something really well. We're not going to do that at the moment. We're going to go with the fixed one, and you can make your own code up here. I'm just going to make a random one. Now what I'm going to do before we go any further is going to take that code, that's our code, copy it, and I'm just going to bung it here into Notepad just so as we can remember it. Okay, so we'll close that down again. Next, this is the page where people will either get the unlock code or will get your opt-in form, and we're going with the opt-in form, and I've made a page already, and it is www.boomerang test. I think that's what it is anyway. Let me just check. Yeah. So we'll put that in here. Next, a custom icon. The icon is like this little thing that you see here. What you're going to get next to your product is this globe icon. If you've got an icon for your product, you can add it in here. If you don't worry about it. It doesn't really matter. Next is if you want the affiliate link to go onto the software box when it comes up for the people to get their registration. You can have an affiliate link on there. We're going to put no on this case. It's up to you. Next, support information. What you need to put in here is an email address. I'm going to put Barry at the fiverrkey.com. That people can contact you if they're having difficulties. Okay, so you can put your email address in here where you want the request for help to go. Next. Right, this is more if you're using, you remember you could have it so set so it would generate a brand new code every time people click through. If that's the case and people lose their code, it's handy for you to have a master code that will open everything, and you can make one here. We haven't chosen that, so there's no need for us to have one. We've got our code, which is going to be the same for everybody. But that's a useful feature if you're going down the other route. Okay, master unlock code. Next, terms of service. So you put your terms of service in there if you have any. And then save lock file. Now what you're going to do here, what's going to happen is it's going to give you all of the stuff that you've done already. Now if you see something there that's not right or you want to change, you just hit back and you can edit it. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to click browse and we're going to click save. Sorry, click that. Now, yes. Next. File has been successfully locked. Would you like to lock another file? No, we're done in there now. So now what we're going to do is we are going to navigate to the actual gig itself. Let's optimize that so you see my messy old desktop. And if we go in here to software, you'll see now that it's created a locked file with this icon here. And if we click here, it'll give us this box. Thank you for downloading Easy eCover Creator. And it gives instructions what to do. First click here and then put the code that you get in here. So when they click here, they get automatically taken to our squeeze page, which we entered into the software just now. Now this is a basic template. You do get templates in with the Boomerang software. This is one I've just prettied up with some images, and you just basically edit in your opt-in autoresponder box in here. It can be any autoresponder, it doesn't matter. And when they complete the details, click submit, get on your list. The first email that they're going to get is one with your with their key. So let's go back to this and we'll get our key and we'll highlight that, copy it and put the code in here, press submit, and now we're into the setup wizard. It's unlocked the code for us and it's as easy as that, folks. Absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching.